He barks.
So funny.
Get him, Buster. But you dumbass got yourself tangled up in the cherry.